Let's drink. What's up, my bomb ass subscriber squad? Hey, what? Oh, baby, y'all know what today is. It's November 13th. It's the queen's birthday. I made 28.3 today. Y'all, look, girl, I'm feeling it. I got my wine. We're going to be unboxing my favorite box. What a way to celebrate my birthday, huh, y'all? Girl, let me tell y'all right now. Pause this video. Go and fix you a glass of wine, a glass of vodka, get you a beer or whatever it is you drink, make your cocktail. Come on and sit down and have a drink with your girl because we're going to be drinking through this whole unboxing, y'all. I am celebrating all day. It's my birthday. It's my birthday. Y'all know I love it. Let me blow this. Turn up all the way up. Where my Scorpios at? Okay, y'all. So today's my birthday. Happy birthday to me. I'm so excited, y'all. I'm so happy to see another year, to have all of my new YouTube friends. I love you all so much. Y'all know it's about to be lit, right? Y'all know it. Let me take another step. Okay, guys. So today, for my birthday, I'm going to be unboxing the LashyBox. And y'all already know this is my favorite box. Y'all already know I've been waiting on it. I don't know where the hell it's been. But guess what? It's here now. And we're going to unbox it. So if you guys want to see what's in November's box, plus take a toast with TonyaNicole, please keep watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Leave me a comment down below. It's my birthday. All right, y'all. So today is TonyaNicole's birthday. We turning up. Welcome to all the people that's been here, that's just getting here. Let me tell y'all something. Over here, we crazy, we live, we lit. I'm about to be tipsy, and I'm unboxing LashyBox today. Y'all know I've been waiting on this day. I've been talking about it for months, and it's here, and I'm so excited, and I'm so ready to celebrate another year on this beautiful earth, y'all. Yeah, turn up, turn up. So guys, today we're going to be unboxing LashyBox. Y'all know it's one of my favorites. I'm not going to keep y'all too long, but every time I say November, I want y'all to take a sip of whatever it is you drinking, okay? November. Ooh. Okay, y'all, so we're going to get into the specs of this box. I'm sweating already. Then we're going to unbox it, final thoughts, and y'all know what else come with that. For you guys that do not know, LashyBox is a $13.99 per month eyelash subscription. You get 3 to 4 pairs of lashes each month and some beauty tools and some beauty makeup, and some makeup, and it's all kind of good stuff. I've been waiting on my box. It's been lost. This is the latest I've ever gotten LashyBox, but I'm so happy it arrived in time for my birthday. Oh, this one don't work good. Now I will have some beautiful lashes to wear tonight and tomorrow and whenever. It doesn't matter, y'all. If you guys want to sign up for LashyBox, I do have a link down below. Go on and press it. Check them out. They have a natural lash box that I think is $13.99 too. It's called a Soft Glam. They have the LashyBox Mini, which is $9.99 a month. And they have the Dramatic Lash Box, which is, I don't know how much, I think the Dramatic one is they're $12.99 or $13.99. I'm not sure, but it will be linked down below, guys. So without further ado, let's cut this baby open and let's get on into it. Ooh, girl. Y'all ready? Are y'all ready? Oh, okay. That's what it's looking like on the inside, y'all. And LashyBox does not come with a card with prices. I will try my hardest to look up some of the prices and put them down below. If not, y'all, charge it to the fact that I'm drinking and it's my birthday, November. Oh, and just FYI, y'all, I was born Friday the 13th. Ooh, girl, scandalous, huh? Okay, guys, so up first, out of the box, I am seeing some brushes. Oh, my goodness, from Ruby May Cosmetics. So let's see what they're looking like. So this is the Ruby May Cosmetics 3-piece eye brush set, and this is what it's looking like here. And I love these brushes. Y'all know I love getting brushes. They feel very soft, but y'all know we got to put them to the test and see how well they blend, right? Exactly. November. Okay, so let's see what else we got in this box. Up next, I am pulling out some LashyBox lashes, and these are the 3D silk lashes in the style Fairy, and these are gorgeous, y'all. Look at them. They are all the same length all around, which y'all know is my new thing. I actually like that because they make, oh, well, they're kind of short to long, but they're still very full and wispy. They make your eyes look very sexy. Looks like, you know, a little bit on the more natural side, but I bet when you put them on, from the volume of them, they will be very pretty and very sexy. So I definitely will be wearing these babies. Up next is some more LashyBox lashes, and these are the 3D lashes in the style Star, and these are absolutely my type of lashes. It is just like Fairy, but Star here is a little thicker. So I love for it to look more full and more sexy and dramatic. So these lashes are definitely a plus for me. I love these. These would be like a date night or a party night or going out night type of lash. I really, really, really like this lash. So then we have from Cosmetics, and these are the premium silk lashes in Pegasus. I don't know what this word is. If y'all know, good job, because I surely don't. And this is what the lashes look like, guys. I'm not really a fan of these lashes. They're very short and more on the natural side, so I definitely will be putting this in a giveaway for one of my lucky bomb ass subscriber squad people. Yeah, November. Take a drink. Girl, we feeling good, huh? Let's get a little dance break. It's my birthday. Have a party. Where y'all at? Ooh, come on, Scorpios. Y'all, I know I'm being extra in this video. I'm sorry, but y'all, it's my birthday, and I'm so happy. I love celebrating my birthday, y'all. I just love celebrating my birthday. The weather is beautiful. I'm about to go on vacation in a couple weeks, y'all. I'm just like so excited. I'm gonna tell y'all about that when it's closer to the date, because we're gonna be doing a lot of lives on my vacation, so y'all can see how me and my family cut up. Girl, me and my sister together is a hot mess, but y'all gonna love it. All right, y'all. Ooh, girl. Now, these are the type of lashes I like to wear for my birthday. And this is from, is it Venus something? I don't know the name of this. Venus Gale. We're going to say it's Venus Gale Cosmetics, and these are the lashes in the style, there is no style, but these are what the lashes look like. And y'all know that these are my type of lashes. Very sexy, very full. You have some short to long lashes in here, which gives more volume and make your eyes look more sexy and like inviting. Like, oh, hey boy, hey girl, what you doing? So yes, guys, I really love these. Yes, yes, yes. We also got, as usual, oh, girl, I almost fell in my wine. We got a little glue right here. I think this one may be black. I hope so. It is. It's a black lash adhesive that I absolutely love. And last but not least, guys, we got 2 eyeshadows. The pressed shadows from Sulphur Beauty. One is in the shade Emerald and one is in the shade Lock Bridge. And this is what it looks like. We're going to take them out this plastic so you guys can see them better. Now, while I'm trying to get this out the package, y'all can take a drink. No, it's November, right? Hit the drink, boo. These are the Sulphur Beauty pressed eyeshadow, and one is in a Lock Bridge and one is in Emerald. I'm going to put Lock Bridge in a giveaway for you guys, and I'm going to keep Emerald because I love this color. It's very deep green shimmery, which I love. Ooh, yes, yes. And the pans are really big. Let me take it out so y'all can see. This is a really big pan. So yes, it's called Emerald City. Let me go ahead on and swatch Emerald. It feels very, very, very creamy. Ooh, and that's Emerald swatched out, and that is absolutely gorgeous, guys. Beautiful. So yes, I'm excited about this. This is pretty. Okay, guys, so that was my final product in this month's box. And we're going to do a quick recap, final thoughts. We're going to rate the box, and we're going to be done. I know y'all don't want me to leave, and I don't want to go, but y'all got to go celebrate this birthday, right? It's November. We received from Ruby May Cosmetics this 3-piece eye brush set. We also received from Venus Gale Cosmetics these beautiful lashes here. From Kaz Cosmetics, these 3D lashes here, which I will be putting in a giveaway for you guys. We also received from LashyBox these 2 pairs here, one in the style Fairy, which is this one, and one in the style Star, which is this one. These are like my favorite, guys. And from Suva Beauty, these two pressed eyeshadows, one in Emerald City and this one in Lockbridge, which I will be putting in a giveaway for you guys. And we also received that little lash adhesive. So we have two, four, six, 7 products for this month, y'all. So guys, final thoughts on this box. Y'all know I simply adore LashyBox. I'm happy that they included some brushes in this month's box. I'm gonna definitely try these out and see. Out of all of the lashes, I'm gonna use 3 of the 4, so that is a spectacular amount of lashes that I like. And as far as the eyeshadows, I'm gonna put this one in a giveaway for you guys, and I'm gonna keep Emerald City for myself. So I think, as usual, this was a great box for $13.99, guys, per month. And I think you do pay shipping with LashyBox, but I think this subscription is so worth it. I love this subscription. I look forward to this one every single month because it is like my favorite subscription. I have to let y'all know I did subscribe to another lash subscription. It's going to be in later on in the month. It's a new box for us. I'm so excited for you guys to see that. But yes, guys, so if I had to rate this month's box on a scale from 1, this box is garbage, throw it to the fire, to 5, this box is the bomb.com, boo, and it's November. Take a sip. We're gonna give LashyBox for this month a solid 4 to 4.5. I love this box. It's good every month. It's just, I just love it. So that's all that I have for you guys for today. Do not forget, if you have not subscribed to TonyaNicole Experience, you need to go on and press that button. Give this video a big thumbs up because it's my birthday, y'all. Y'all won't be nice to me, right? Absolutely. What else? Follow me on Instagram. All of my links for social media are down below. If you want to subscribe to LashyBox, that link is also down below. And guys, I will see you all on Friday. Yeah, we're going to do a video. Hopefully on Friday, we'll have some boxes in. Or I may do a get ready with me, maybe do some birthday makeup. I might do something like that. I don't know yet. Make sure you leave me a comment down below. Let me know what your thoughts is. Thoughts are or thoughts is. I think it's thoughts are on this month's box. Again, y'all, I love you all so much. It's my birthday. I want y'all to have fun for me. I want y'all to celebrate for me. I want y'all to celebrate in this video with me. I want y'all to feel the love that I'm giving y'all right now because I love all of my YouTube friends. Y'all are really like a second family to me. Y'all don't know how I look so forward to talking to you guys in the comments. Y'all are so funny. Y'all so bomb ass. I swear I love the shit out of y'all. So it's November 13th. When my birthday is on Friday the 13th again, I'm having a big party and y'all all invited, and it's going to be a burlesque party. So if you're coming to my party, y'all better be dressed appropriately. So next time TonyaNicole's birthday is on Friday the 13th, which is when I was born, we will, hence the reason why I'm a vampire at heart, I think, and I love goth, huh? Ooh, yeah. We will have a big old party. I'm going to tell y'all the venue, and you have to wear burlesque and be sexy and all that good shit. Yes, baby. It's November, y'all. Okay, guys, so I am leaving now. I'm going to go enjoy myself for my birthday and turn up and have a good time. I hope you guys are having a beautiful, blessed day today. I love you all so much. Until next time in next video, be blessed. Peace from this Scorpio, boo. It's my birthday. Hey, oh, I've been excited. Oh, let me blow this before I go. Bye, guys.